Imagine stepping off a train and straight into a snow globe. The air is crisp, church bells echo through icy streets, the Alps rise like a frozen painting in front of you, and everywhere you look feels unreal. Now here's the twist: this isn't a movie set, this is Austria in January. January is when Austria truly shows its winter soul. The Christmas rush has faded, prices drop, ski towns come alive, and historic cities glow quietly under soft winter light. So if you've ever dreamed of castles in the snow, alpine villages straight out of fairy tales, and cozy cafes while snow falls outside the window, you're in the right place. Let's start in Vienna, Austria's elegant capital. In January, Vienna slows down in the most beautiful way. The streets feel calmer, the grand architecture stands out even more against pale winter skies, and there's a quiet romance in the air. Walking along the Ringstrasse with frost in the air feels like traveling back in time. Inside the Schönbrunn Palace, the golden halls feel warmer and more intimate when the cold is waiting outside. After exploring, nothing beats stepping into a traditional Viennese cafe, ordering a slice of Schokotorte, and watching snowflakes drift past the windows. And if you're lucky, you might even catch the city's famous balls and classical concerts, which feel extra special during winter. Now, picture a lakeside town surrounded by mountains, all dusted in snow, with narrow streets and colorful houses reflecting on icy water. That's Hallstatt in January, and honestly, it feels unreal. Most tourists visit in summer, but winter is when Hallstatt becomes magical. The crowds disappear, the silence settles in, and the entire village feels like a secret. Walking along the frozen lake with snow crunching under your boots is peaceful in a way that's hard to describe. Even a simple stroll through the village feels cinematic, like every turn is a postcard waiting to happen. Next, we head west to Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart and one of Austria's most charming cities. January transforms Salzburg into a storybook. The fortress of Hohensalzburg looks even more dramatic rising above the city with snow on its walls. The old town, with its Baroque buildings and narrow lanes, feels cozy and romantic. And if you're a fan of the sound of music, winter gives these filming locations a completely different, dreamy vibe. Plus, January is perfect for music lovers, with concerts and performances filling the city with classical melodies. If winter sports are calling your name, Innsbruck is where adventure meets beauty. Surrounded by towering alpine peaks, Innsbruck in January is a paradise for snow lovers. The city itself is stunning, with colorful buildings and the iconic golden roof shining even in winter light. But what makes Innsbruck special is how easily you can switch between city life and mountain adventure. One moment you're walking through historic streets, and the next, you're on a cable car heading up to world-class ski slopes. Even if you don't ski, just seeing the Alps up close in their winter glory is unforgettable. And then there's Zellensee, a place that feels like pure winter magic. This small alpine town sits beside a beautiful lake, with snow-covered mountains rising all around. January here is peaceful, scenic, and perfect for those who want a classic winter escape. You can enjoy gentle lakeside walks, cozy mountain restaurants, or hit the nearby ski areas if you're feeling adventurous. At night, when the lights reflect on the icy lake, the atmosphere feels calm, warm, and almost surreal. Now that we've explored Austria's iconic cities and postcard-perfect towns, it's time to dive deeper into places that truly shine in January, where winter isn't just a season, it's an experience. Let's head straight into the Austrian Alps, because January is when they are at their absolute best. One of the most famous winter destinations is St. Anton im Arlberg. This is legendary ski country, but even if you've never touched a pair of skis, St. Anton still delivers an unforgettable atmosphere. The village is alive with energy, surrounded by dramatic peaks covered in thick snow. During the day, the mountains sparkle under clear blue skies, and by evening, the town transforms into a cozy alpine hub filled with warm lights, hearty food, and that unmistakable mountain charm. It feels adventurous, social, and deeply alpine all at once. For something calmer and more traditional, Kitzbühel is a dream in January. This medieval town wrapped in snow looks like it was designed for winter postcards. The colorful buildings, icy rooftops, and quiet streets give it an elegant yet cozy vibe. Kitzbühel is known for skiing, but January here is also about atmosphere, horse-drawn sleigh rides through snowy landscapes, boutique shopping in a storybook old town, and sitting by a fireplace while snow falls gently outside. It's winter luxury without losing its soul. Now let's talk about one of Austria's most unique winter experiences, the Großglockner region. Home to Austria's highest mountain, this area becomes breathtaking in January. The silence of the snow-covered valleys is powerful, almost humbling. The mountains feel massive, untouched, and timeless. Even just driving through nearby alpine roads or staying in a small mountain lodge gives you a sense of isolation and beauty that's hard to find anywhere else in Europe. It's perfect for travelers who want nature, peace, and that deep winter connection. Back in the cities, Graz deserves special attention in January. Austria's second largest city has a completely different personality compared to Vienna or Salzburg. Graz feels youthful, creative, and relaxed. In winter, the Schlossberg Hill dusted with snow overlooks a city that blends history with modern culture beautifully. Cafes feel warm and welcoming, museums are less crowded, and the old town feels more local than touristic. January is ideal here because you can explore at your own pace, without rushing or pushing through crowds. Another winter gem many people overlook is Bad Gastein. This mountain spa town is dramatic, bold, and unlike anywhere else in Austria. Built into steep alpine slopes, with historic grand hotels and a waterfall running right through town, Bad Gastein feels almost surreal in winter. January is perfect for enjoying thermal spas while snow surrounds you. Imagine soaking in warm mineral water while looking out at frozen mountains. That contrast alone makes it unforgettable. It's part relaxation, part adventure, and completely unique. And if you truly want to slow down, consider the Tyrolean villages scattered across the countryside. Small places like Altbach feel incredibly authentic in January. Wooden chalets, snow-covered balconies, church bells echoing through the valley. It's simple, peaceful, and deeply Austrian. These villages may not always make travel lists, but they often become the most memorable part of a trip. What makes Austria in January so special isn't just the snow or the scenery, it's the feeling. It's walking through a quiet town as fresh snow falls. It's warming your hands around a mug of hot chocolate after being outside all day. It's seeing famous landmarks without crowds, hearing your own footsteps echo in historic streets, and experiencing winter the way it's meant to be experienced. So whether you're drawn to culture, mountains, relaxation, or adventure, Austria in January delivers it all, with fewer tourists, better prices, and a magical atmosphere that feels straight out of a fairy tale. If this video helped you imagine your perfect winter escape, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of snowy landscapes and cozy travel moments. And tell me in the comments, if you could visit just one place in Austria this January, where would you go?